So my April subscription box from Muuse has just arrived, which is perfect timing because I was just setting up to film videos. So I'm going to film this one now. I have literally not even opened this yet. It came like half an hour ago. But let's crack into this. I actually love the Muuse subscription box. So this month's box's theme is Get Your Glow, which is super fitting because it's spring, the weather's warm. Everyone wants to be glowy and just glowing. It is the time to be glowing. So the value in this box is products worth up to £153, which is very good. And you know what? You get it for £20 for 6 full-size products in this box. That works out at an 87% discount. My discount code is Courtney, just my name. I'll put it on the screen, I'll put it in the description. And if you use my code, you can get 1 free extra product if you choose a 3-month subscription plan, and the product will be like worth up to £60. And if you choose to just have the box on a one-off, which is like a 1-month subscription, you'll still get an extra product up to worth like £10 or £20. So that's if you use the code. So this deal actually ends in 2 weeks, and my discount code is available for the first 50 orders only. The whole subscription box scheme is like so easy to subscribe and unsubscribe. You can literally unsubscribe with 1 click. Shall we dive into the box so I can show you what is in the April Muuse subscription box? Let's get in there. Oh, I've not undone the edges. Let's try that one again. Right, so you get a little leaflet. It gives you all the information about the products inside. We love that. And it basically says, get your glow. Beautiful days are finally here. Let's celebrate the arrival of spring and the end of winter with this new colourful box. It's time to get your glow back and enjoy the first rays of sunshine. That is exactly what I said, and I hadn't even read this. Great minds. In this box, you can take care of yourself from the tips of your hair to your lips. Muuse is also proud to present exclusive fan brush from Cole Creatives. Currently this brush has not been released in the UK market. Let's just get in here. I'm too excited, I can't wait. It says, we want to see you glow. And then you get like, obviously, recyclable packaging. Yes, please. Let's see, what am I getting out first? So I have first pulled out the Probiotic by Doctor's Formula Radiance Serum. Let's read about this, shall we? Right, creates a natural looking glow, a deeply hydrating formula that works to strengthen the skin's defenses, containing skin hydration and barrier boosting ingredients that aim to give your skin a plump, hydrated and radiant complexion. Jesus Christ! This retails for £95. £95, and you're getting it in a box for 20. Let's crack this open. I want to try a bit. So this is it. Oh, I don't want to do too much because I want to save it for my face. And just, oh, excuse my nails. I'm going to get them done later. It smells good. And it feels super hydrating. Next, I'm going to pull out this. This is the Awake Organics Scalp Scrub, and I've got the Hibiscus Mint Stimulating Root Care. Let's read about this. So wake up your hair care routine. This treatment preps your scalp for optimal hair growth, saturating hair strands with organic coconut oil and hibiscus flowers. Love that because I really want to grow my hair, so this is going to be perfect for me. For dry hair, apply 1 tablespoon to scalp in sections. Flip overhead and massage roots and then shampoo thoroughly. Let's open this. This is the pot of the scalp scrub. Oh, it smells good. So I'm obviously not going to try that one out today, but I'm probably, most likely, going to do a separate video on this because I definitely want to try it for a video because I've never actually used the scalp scrub before and I've been wanting to for a while. Next up, we have got Gorgeous. Is that how we say that? I've got California Burger. So Gorgeous is a New York cosmetic brand with colours inspired by foods from around the world. They also have customised and nostalgic foodie packaging. This retails for £22. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that the scalp scrub retails for £15. Let's get into this. Oh my gosh! That's so cute! Can we see that? It's got a burger. There's a burger in there. Look. That's a burger. I got so excited when I saw that. It looks so cool. And let's have a look. Oh, it's a very vampy colour. It smells really good. Let's do a little swatch, shall we? Yeah, that's like a really nice brown colour. I like that very much. I'm obsessed with that burger in the packaging. It's so cool. Next up, we have got the fan brush. This retails for £8.99. And as we spoke about in the beginning, this one is the one that hasn't even been released in the UK yet. This fan brush is the first to be made from rice waste, making it 100% sustainable. Oh, this is cute. This is very cute. Look at that. Like, this is actually going to be perfect for doing my highlight. It's very cute. Next, we have the Estate Jumy Baked Highlight Powder. Oh yes, I love a highlighter. This retails for £7.15. Let's have a look at this. Oh, this is such a cute colour. I'm going to do a little swatch. I'm definitely going to use this. Even on my eyes. Wow, this is so pretty. And on my hand as well. Look at it. That is one hell of a gorgeous highlighter. I cannot wait to use that. And last but not least, so this is the Repeat After Me I Am Strong Pineapple and Mango Enzyme Peel Mask. Oh yes, that sounds so good to me. Anything peel, enzyme-y, yes, it's super good for your skin. Oh, this is really sweet. So it says, I donate 5% of all profits to mental health charities. It's okay to not be okay. The pineapple and mango enzyme peel mask. I purify and brighten skin by exfoliating dead skin cells, which can help produce blemishes or acne scarring. Me please, this is exactly for me. This is going to be perfect. I have a lot of blemishes and a lot of acne scarring, like we can see over here. It's normal. I cannot wait to use this, and this retails for £5. I think that I said I cannot wait to use this about every single product in this box, I'm not gonna lie, but that's because I'm genuinely so excited to use every single item in this box. Oh, I don't even know where to start. With the glowy theme is definitely there. Let me put it all back in here. I actually love receiving a subscription box every month. I highly recommend you have something to look forward to literally every month, and I get so excited for this. So I will put the link to Muuse's website, Instagram, TikTok page, all in the description. So if you do want to get your hands on this April Get Your Glow box, you know exactly where to go. Remember my discount code Courtney. The products in here are so good, and you get a very, very high price of products for literally £20. And if you use my code, you get the extras as well. So yes, I am gonna go and self-care for the day with all of this. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.